How do I check if two variables reference the same object in Python? X and Y are two variables. I can check if they're equal using x equals y, but how can I check if they have the same identity? Example. Now, x equals y is true because x and y are equal, however, x and y aren't the same object. I'm looking for something like same object x, y, which in that case is supposed to be false.
You can use is to check if two objects have the same identity.
Use x is y, or it x equals it y. They seem to be equivalent. It object returns a unique number, identity, that adapts the philosophy of C-style pointer. For debugging, it x equals it y is more convenient. X is y is prettier. Utilizes equal comparator, object._eq_self, other.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.